Okay, so let's jump right in. We've got this stack of sources, um, all talking about something pretty wild, these viral videos showing Tata Float Shoes.
Yeah, shoes that apparently let people just, well, float in midair. Sounds like pure science fiction, honestly.
Exactly, straight out of a movie. But it's got the Tata brand attached, this huge Indian company, which lends it some, seeming credibility.
And that's precisely why we're doing this deep dive. We're going to look at the sources you provided, cut through all that viral noise, and figure out if this is, actual tech or just an internet thing.
Right. So looking at the videos themselves first, they look pretty slick, but what are the immediate giveaways? What tells you something's not quite right?
Well, at first glance, they are convincing. But when you really look closely, things start to unravel a bit.
Like what specifically?
The movement, for one.
Hmm.
The way the feet hover. The motion blur doesn't quite match the background sometimes.
Huh.
And the shadows and reflections.
Ah, okay. They're a bit off.
They're definitely off. You see these little visual artifacts, inconsistencies that strongly suggest it's a composite image. It points towards, digital editing, maybe AI generation, maybe just some fancy video tricks.
So not real footage. It's manipulated.
Seems very likely, yes. But, okay, even if the visuals were perfect, that's only part of the story, right? A company like Tata launching something this
Did
huge.
you expect some official announcement, a press release, something on their website?
Exactly. So we checked. We went through Tata Group's official channels, their verified social media, looked for press releases, even Pat databases.
What did you find?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not a single word from Tata Group or Tata Motors about any kind of float shoe technology.
Wow. So complete silence from the brand itself.
Total silence, which is frankly a massive red flag, isn't it? They have absolutely zero connection to these videos that are using their name.
That really undercuts the whole claim right there. The brand disassociation is huge.
It is. And then you look at where these videos are coming from.
Right, they're just popping up on random social media accounts.
Pretty much. Unverified accounts, often just seemingly trying to get clicks and views. Sometimes they slap the Tata logo on deceptively, but there's no official source distributing them.
Okay, so dodgy visuals, no official confirmation, questionable sources.
Yeah.
But what's the final nail in the coffin here?
The simplest, most decisive point, really. Can you actually buy these amazing float shoes?
Let me guess.
No. You guessed it. We checked everywhere. Tata's official sites, major online retailers like Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere you'd expect to find a revolutionary new product.
And they're just not there.
Not available for purchase anywhere. If this
Mhm.
technology was real, believe me, it would be for sale somewhere. The fact that it isn't tells you everything.
So putting it all together then, the Tata Float Shoes, completely fake.
Completely. The videos are edited, the technology doesn't exist, Tata has nothing to do with it. It's an internet hoax, plain and simple, designed purely to grab attention and go viral.
Right, just fabricated content.
And this really highlights something important for you listening. In this age of stuff going viral so fast, the key takeaway is always, always check the official source.
Don't just trust the video you saw shared.
Exactly. Go to the company's website, look for official press releases, check reputable news sources. Don't just believe the hype, especially when it sounds too good to be true. Trust the paper trail or the lack of one.
That makes sense. And it leads to a final thought, doesn't it? With AI getting so much better at creating realistic fakes.
Oh, absolutely.
How is that going to change things? How will we verify even seemingly simple product announcements when deepfakes become, indistinguishable from reality? Something to think about next time you see something unbelievable online.